Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to see your history on Google Maps. And for this, go to the Google icon right in the top and then go to settings. And from here, go to Maps History. Now, he will send you through Google, and so if you can see, I select the option a time ago for not saving to web and app activity. Alright, now make sure that you put this on, turn on. Now it's turned on, and now if we do done, go back and search for Amsterdam, tap on Amsterdam, then start, exit, cross, tap on my Google icon, go to settings, scroll down to Maps History. And now, if you can see, you see my latest selection for my navigation, and that is searched for Amsterdam. Alright, this is how it works, and if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.